Today, I am going to be sharing with you this classic dish for your next Sunday dinner, oven-baked candy yams. So let's get into it. To begin, I am going to be slicing up 4 medium sweet potatoes. Sunday dinners was always a huge event at my house growing up, and this was one of my favorite dishes, and I'm happy to share it with you today. Okay girl, so now the cutting is over, and now I am adding my seasonings to the dish. I have chosen to add clove, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So what I'm doing is I'm just basically sprinkling my seasonings on top of the potatoes, and then what I'm going to do is take 1 stick of melted butter and pour that on top, and you see me massaging all of the seasonings into the potatoes. And the reason why I'm massaging that in is because I want each potato to be covered in that good seasoning. So now you see me pouring the potatoes in a pan, and I am going to be adding my secret ingredient, and girl, I am going to be sharing with you what that is. My secret ingredient is orange juice, and if you haven't tried it, you must try it. It gives these potatoes a really nice flavor. So shout out to my mom who gave me the idea for the secret ingredient. I remember seeing her do this growing up. She would add orange liqueur, but I flipped the script and I am adding OJ. Last but definitely not least, you just saw me adding 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and I just sprinkled that on top. Then you are going to place this in a 375-degree oven, and you are going to bake it for 1 hour covered, and then you're going to remove the foil and you're going to bake for another 20 to 25 minutes. And this right here is the finished product, and these yams look so good. My mouth is watering, and they were so good. Let me know if you guys give this recipe a try. Don't forget to share and like my video on the way out, and until the next video, peace.
I'm not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries disappear, yeah. It's all because of you. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, yeah. It's all because of you, because of you. And I don't fall in love so easily, 'cause I don't wear my heart up on my sleeve, yeah. I don't know if you feel the same, but every time I hear your name, disappear. It's all because of